can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. 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 She keeps me warm.
My heart doesn't see race.
Love has no age limit.
That's my best friend.
We are neighbors and best friends.
We all have different religions, but we have universal love as well.
I love my sister.
Love is love.
Our family is no less than any other family.
Not crying on Sundays, 'cause I'm not crying on Sundays. Patient, love is kind.
Literally, this was garbage. % of the proceeds go to continuing the cleanup.
Our oceans are filling with plastic. But where does it come from? The answer? Rivers, primarily. Every day, they carry not just water and sediments, but also lots of plastic into the ocean. There are more than 100,000 rivers on our planet, but not all of them contribute equally to the problem. Early efforts to map river plastic by many research groups, including the Ocean Cleanup, concluded that only a very small number of large rivers, perhaps as little as 10, are responsible for most of the pollution. This was determined by estimating the total amount of plastic pollution generated in each river basin. But not all plastic has the same chance of making it to the ocean. Variables such as climate, terrain, waste management practices, the distance plastic needs to travel to reach a river, and then the ocean are all of influence. By including these factors and the results from dozens of measurement campaigns, a much more nuanced picture evolves. More than 1,000 rivers are responsible for 80% of ocean plastic pollution, 100 times more than previously estimated. Instead of a few great rivers, we now believe that many rivers, including small rivers running through dense coastal cities in emerging economies, form the world's plastic hotspots. While the number of 1,000 rivers may seem immense, this is only 1% of all rivers included in the study. This means that a targeted approach could drastically reduce the world's river plastic emissions. The Ocean Cleanup has already begun working with governments and partners around the world to apply the right solutions to the right rivers and encourages others to take part. Together, we can clean our rivers and rid the world's oceans of plastic. Explore the 1,000 most polluting rivers and see how you can help at theoceancleanup.com.
So Jenny is a 800-meter long floating barrier which we tow through the water. The barrier is 3 meters deep in the water. It's completely open at the bottom, which is important because it allows fish to escape, and it has flotation along the top, which helps it to keep its shape. And it's connected at each end to one of these vessels, the one that I'm standing on here and also the vessel that you can see behind me. Those vessels are moving ahead at a very slow speed. It's about 1.5 knots, which is less than 2 miles an hour. As we move through the plastic and through the water, then you get a natural flow of water caused by that movement, and the plastic is carried along those 2 barriers, which we call wings, on each side, and it's transported to a central area, and there's a collection area which we call the retention zone in the middle of that U shape. So all of the plastic flows along, it flows into that retention zone, and that enables us, after a certain time, maybe once a week, to bring the 2 vessels together, hand one wing of Jenny to the other vessel so they're holding both, and the other vessel can go around to the back of the system and pick up the retention zone, which has all the plastic inside. Then we take the plastic from the retention zone, empty it all out onto the deck. We separate it into different materials according to different recycling streams. We package it up and we take it back onto shore, and then we can send it for recycling.
啟文創社腦化好生活與 Ali Hodgson 合作。大家齊來認識腦退化症，為未來腦化好世界做好準備。字幕：腦化好動畫，腦化短片名稱：潛進腦化世界。藍色池水象徵腦海。一個釣魚嘅老伯將魚鈎放入池水，佢坐喺圓凳，身邊放咗個桶，佢想釣條魚。魚絲有動靜，佢拉起，係支牙刷，佢將牙刷掉入桶，再放魚鈎入池水。佢想要三文治同生果。但掉咗個鬧鐘上嚟，佢掉個鬧鐘入桶，再次放魚鈎落水。佢諗起往日攬住太太跳舞嘅開心情景，微笑。今次魚絲似乎釣到大魚，喺水底，魚鈎勾住一盆植物，老伯企起身拉，反而被拖入水。佢身處喺藍色嘅池水中，一臉茫然，各種各樣嘅嘢喺身邊漂浮，包括氣球、盆栽、太陽眼鏡、測驗、牙刷、積木、茶壺，仲有同人打招呼同信任嘅記憶。腦化短片名稱：腦頻同步。婆婆嘅思緒被收音機嘅雜聲震散。佢個女同孫女發現婆婆一臉茫然，阿女埋嚟攬住佢，感受到佢嘅混亂。阿女開始調校思緒，嘗試進入婆婆嘅頻道，但係唔成功。一個收音機調校頻道嘅針左右移動，呢個收音機就藏咗喺婆婆嘅腦入面，但係點都校唔啱台，令到佢皺晒眉頭。 佢戴上一頂帽，擋住灑落嚟嘅水，但係原來佢着住一身整齊衣衫同戴住帽，企咗喺花灑下面。孫女擔住遮走埋嚟，遞把遮俾佢，婆婆笑住接過。孫女同婆婆調啱咗頻道，佢明白婆婆將沖涼當成咗落雨。婆婆、阿女同孫女一齊微笑，佢哋都喺同一個頻道啦。腦化好動畫製作及出品啟文創社，英國創作團隊，故事及插畫創作 Ali Hodgson， 動畫 Lynn G. Hood、Alex Smith， 音樂及聲效 Paul W. Chauncey， 香港製作團隊，平面設計 Nomad， 錄像後期製作朝夕公園，腦化好生活設計研究和創作啟文創社團隊，李欣琪博士、徐巧思、Pascal Anson、李安琪、顧維雅，能力提升項目社創設計室，腦化香港，腦化好生活，設計研究資助社會創新及創業發展基金，社創設計室及腦化好社區節夥伴希慎物業，腦化好生活節合作單位香港區英國文化協會，程真女士、李玉華先生 Topaz Edelweiss Foundation 澤善基金會，媒體夥伴 Movie。本片旁白及口述影像由香港盲人輔導會提供，口述影像粵語旁白版本撰稿及口述影像員邱艷，英語旁白版本翻譯顧維雅，聲音演繹楊慧，合作單位香港小交響樂團，聲音錄製及後期製作龐維斌。